Short video, short walk around the car. And the dealer, to look at this. This was the first thing I mentioned to them. Alright. This car was hit. Alright, and that sucks. Go look at the other side. That they gotta do something about that. This is loose. Look at that. This fell down, and this. All those clips are all broken. Alright? They need to fix that. That's bull. And what else? What else? There's a number of others. The driver's seat. Only the bottom heats. I don't think the AC on the seat works at all. This seat works. That one don't. And I just detailed the car. There's a dent. See the dent? It's from the inside out. Something inside went bang and made that. Are you kidding me? Alright. But I love the car. I mean, after all, it is a Lincoln. It's, even to this day, you can tell the difference. From a Lincoln to a Ford. Anyway.